Hey there everyone! Welcome to our channel. I'm your host, and today we're going to be talking about the top 10 vegetables that you might consider growing at home. Whether you're looking to enjoy fresh produce from your garden or just want to try something new and exciting, this list will give you plenty of ideas. We'll also be discussing the best ways to grow, store, and cook these vegetables. So stick around and don't forget to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and gardening ideas. Let's get started. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are one of the most popular vegetables to grow at home. Not only are they a delicious and nutritious addition to any meal, but they are also incredibly easy to cultivate. With a bit of effort and the right tools, anyone can have a bountiful tomato crop in their own backyard. Tomatoes are relatively low maintenance and can be grown in containers, raised beds, or directly in the ground. They prefer a sunny, warm location and should be watered regularly and fertilized as needed. When ripe, tomatoes can be picked and eaten fresh, cooked, or canned for later. Growing tomatoes at home is a great way to enjoy fresh, homegrown produce year-round. Lettuce. Lettuce is an incredibly versatile and popular vegetable that can easily be grown at home. It is a cool season annual, meaning it will thrive in temperatures between 45 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Plant it in a sunny spot with well-draining soil and keep it well watered. Lettuce can be harvested in as little as 30 days from sowing. It can be harvested by cutting the entire head or by picking individual leaves. There are many varieties of lettuce to choose from, ranging from loose leaf varieties to head-forming varieties, so you can find the perfect type for your garden. Lettuce is a great addition to salads, sandwiches, and wraps, and can be used in a variety of dishes. Growing lettuce at home can be a fun and rewarding experience, so why not give it a try? Carrots. Carrots are a great vegetable to grow at home. They are easy to start from seed, require minimal care, and are extremely versatile. Carrots are packed with essential vitamins and minerals and offer a range of health benefits. They are also a great snack, perfect for adding to salads or roasting in the oven. Carrots are an ideal crop to grow in the garden as they don't take up too much space and can be harvested over a long period of time. Plant carrots in full sun and in well-drained soil, and water them regularly, making sure to keep the soil moist. Harvest carrots when they are the size of your finger, as they will be sweetest when harvested young. Enjoy your homegrown carrots fresh, or store them in the refrigerator to enjoy later. Beans. Beans are a nutrient-rich and easy-to-grow vegetable that can be grown in a variety of settings. They are a great addition to any home garden, as they require little maintenance and can be harvested in as little as 2 months. Beans are a warm season crop, so they should be planted once the ground is warmed up and all danger of frost has passed. Planting should be done in well-drained, fertile soil and in a sunny location. Beans can be planted in rows or in hills and should be spaced approximately 3 inches apart. Additionally, beans can be grown in containers and make a great choice for limited-space gardens. Once the beans have grown to edible size, they can be harvested and enjoyed in a variety of dishes. Peppers. Peppers are a very popular vegetable to grow at home due to their versatility and variety. Peppers come in many shapes, sizes, and colors, and can be used in a variety of recipes. Growing peppers is relatively easy and can be done with just a few basic supplies. Peppers require full sun, well-drained soil, and consistent watering. Peppers can be grown in containers, in-ground, or raised beds. Peppers can also be grown from seed or seedlings. Once planted, peppers will start to flower and eventually produce fruit. Harvesting peppers can be done when the peppers are green or when they have ripened to their desired color. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are a great vegetable to grow at home. They are easy to cultivate and require minimal maintenance. Cucumbers are an excellent source of hydration, high in antioxidants, and packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Because cucumbers are so easy to grow, they are an ideal choice for those looking to start their own home garden. Planting cucumbers in an area with full sun and well-drained soil will help ensure a plentiful harvest. When harvesting cucumbers, be sure to pick them when they are still small, as they can become bitter if left on the vine for too long. Cucumbers are a great addition to salads and sandwiches, and can also be used to make pickles, soups, and sauces. Growing cucumbers at home is a great way to enjoy their delicious flavor and health benefits. Zucchini. Zucchini is an incredibly versatile vegetable that is easy to grow in a home garden. It's a type of squash that produces large, dark green fruit with white flesh that is delicious raw or cooked. Zucchini is a great source of vitamin A, folate, magnesium, and other essential nutrients. It can be eaten in a variety of ways, from being added to salads, stews, and soups, to being grilled, roasted, and baked. Zucchini plants are incredibly easy to care for with minimal effort, and they will thrive in most soil types. When harvesting, it's best to pick zucchini while they are still small and tender, as they become bitter and tough when left to grow too large. With proper care, a single plant can produce an abundance of delicious zucchini throughout the growing season. Radishes. Radishes are an easy and rewarding vegetable to grow at home. They are a root vegetable with a crisp, pungent flavor, usually eaten raw. Radishes can be grown in a variety of soils, in full sun or partial shade, and they thrive in cooler climates. Radishes are a fast-growing crop, with some varieties being ready to harvest in just a few weeks. They are also fairly low maintenance, needing no staking or trellising, and they can tolerate some drought. Radishes are a great choice for beginner gardeners, as they're easy to grow, require minimal space, and will yield a healthy harvest in a relatively short period of time. Beets. Beets are a nutritious and flavorful vegetable that are easy to grow at home. They are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including iron, magnesium, and vitamins A, C, and K. Beets are known for their deep red color and sweet flavor, and can be eaten raw, roasted, boiled, pickled, or juiced. Depending on the variety, beets can be ready to harvest in as little as 6 weeks, making them an excellent choice for short-season gardeners. When planting beets, it's important to choose a sunny spot with light, well-drained soil, and plenty of organic matter. Beets are also known for being relatively low maintenance, so with a bit of care, you can enjoy harvesting your own beets throughout the growing season. Spinach. Spinach is a delicious and nutritious vegetable that is easy to grow at home. It is packed with vitamins and minerals and can provide a healthy addition to a home garden. It is quite cold-hardy and can be planted as soon as the soil can be worked in early spring. Planting in rows is recommended to ensure good air circulation, as spinach is prone to some fungal diseases. Spinach is a fast-growing plant and can be harvested in about 40 to 50 days. It can be harvested for baby leaves or allowed to fully mature for larger leaves. Spinach is a great way to add nutrition to any meal and is a great choice for a home garden. Tomatoes, peppers, carrots, beans, spinach, kale, squash, onions, beets, and radishes are all vegetables that you can easily grow right at home. So why not give it a try and see how rewarding your own homegrown vegetable garden can be? Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to grow your own vegetables. Thanks for watching,